started in Srinagar, came to Jammu, and then traveled to via Ludhiana to Delhi, went to Jaipur, and then through Udaipur we reached Mumbai, and through Pune we are in Hyderabad today. So we are excited to be here and very happy to meet you all. Let's see the journey so far. I think we had a wonderful time starting. That is true, Arvind, our CEO Arvind Matthew and Arvind De Silva both flagging off the event. It started on 16th, and actually the vehicle left from Srinagar on 17th. So within a short time, I think the cars have covered plenty of distance. So it is just to say that electric car is like any other car. Like you fill up the fuel, you just charge it, and then you keep moving on. So these are all the three cars in Srinagar, and then Patni Top. Then we reached Punjab. And then in New Delhi. Some of the locations we stopped, and then customers who are current E2O owners actively participated in the expedition. In Delhi, this is the team. A lot of customers joined the expedition. They drove along the vehicle, expedition cars, for quite a distance. And then the vehicle reached Jaipur, so we had a flag off session in Jaipur. The vehicle on the way come to Udaipur. In Udaipur we had a good time. That's the Prince of Udaipur in the expedition car. He participated for a short while. And then the cars went to Mumbai. And then a media team drove from Mumbai to Pune. This is just to get a feel of the vehicle. 3 media members drove the vehicle from Mumbai to Pune in expressway. And then we reached Pune. Pune, a lot of customers participated in the event. Pune, that's one of the customers flagging off the expedition in Pune. And then customers also drove along with the expedition. That's few customers and the team in Pune. Apart from general awareness about electric cars and busting the myth, we also feel as part of the goodness campaign, we meet a lot of goodness Samaritans along the routes. These are people who do beyond what they can, and they get engaged. So we engage with people who do goodness to the society, goodness to the environment. We meet a lot of people, we capture their stories and be part of the goodness drive. So that's one of the event. He's one of the guy who has helped us during the expedition. As I said, right now we are about 3,700 kilometers, successfully run 3 cars into Hyderabad. If you look at how much fuel we have saved about 930 liters of fuel if you would have done a conventional car. About 560 kg of CO2, which is supposed to go to the environment, is being saved. What I like the most, which I always tell Rohit, is by driving the car, actually 400 kilometers of energy you generated in the car. That means out of 3,700 kilometers, 400 kilometers is regeneration of due to braking and deceleration of the car. It's like completely free to the environment. So you saved an energy of 400 kilometers. So to say how our awareness drive is going, we took 5-pronged strategy in our awareness drive. Digital amplification, we are actively participating in Twitter, Instagram, Facebook, and there are a lot of active participation, including bloggers in the digital amplification. We are also engaging customers. As I said, in Delhi and Pune, a lot of customers participated in the drive. They feel that they are part of the goodness drive. They are part of this change in the society, thinking to give it back. Some of the customers in Hyderabad also have planned to join here. We have also created a special microsite in the site where you can see live where the cars are today. So the electricexpedition.com is the site where all the customers and people can go and see where the car is right now, and it actually moves live. We have also made a billboard in Bangalore where the car actually moves along the billboard line to Kanyakumari, just to tell us where the car is right now. And in 4 cities we are meeting press team like you, and then we are communicating. So by all these 5 actions, we feel the electric awareness is getting built up in India. As I have already said, we also have stories of good Samaritans across the group. We met one of the customers of E2O in Pune, who was buying solar lanterns and then giving it at a cheaper cost to people in the villages. So those type of stories are getting captured and being part of the goodness drive. This is the communication and campaign, expedition communication. This is the poster we have said. It is first all electric car expedition in the country. And there is already a lot of social media people are getting involved in this goodness drive and then participating, giving us suggestion, claiming there are a lot of about 40,000 likes and shares and comments in Facebook. So we are seeing that the awareness is slowly coming. By being part of this, the electric car and the importance to environment is slowly coming in the society. So it's just not like a race to drive from one end to another. As I said, we want to engage with customers. For example, today there is no drive. There was no drive on Delhi. We average drive about 200 plus kilometers a day. It is also important to engage with the local community while we are driving and increase the awareness. The purpose is to travel across the country and increase the awareness of electric vehicle among people. One charge goes about 120 kilometers in standard conditions. Sometimes they go more, sometimes slightly less. So typically they charge in between a day and then in the night for the travel. We have sold more than 5,500 cars. The number is close to now 6,000. That's the car we have sold after we have come in. We are going to sell more than what we have sold last year. I would say more than double. Slowly India is becoming aware of electric vehicle with a lot of congestion. You would have heard what Delhi is talking about. So with the central government, the government of India announcing a FAME scheme, which is a subsidy for electric vehicle this April, I think the car sales have slightly started showing positive signs. So we are hopeful that soon we will get to a number what we are looking at.